So what's going on outside?
No, really, do I have to say it in front of the camera? I'm not a camera person. Alright, we do have a full moon party tonight.
Full moon party tonight.
Full moon party, which means free shots for everyone who looks colourful.
Colorful.
And then we do colourful. Yeah. Do you have anything colourful?
Yellow t-shirt.
A yellow t-shirt.
Yeah, that's not so colorful
no,
like yours.
No, you have to be colourful. Alright, and then family dinner at 7. So you can
family dinner?
Yeah, so you can meet everyone and make friends. And then we do have beer pong competition, starts at 9:30, and drinking gender.
Hey, what's up, backpackers? It's a time when in the hostel, in the dorm room, nobody. 12 beds, 2 bathrooms, 1 toilet, Wi-Fi. I think almost finished on my bed. Wi-Fi signal. So, but it's fine.
Alright, guys, shake hands.